Troy University is rolling out a new brand campaign aimed at capturing what it means to be a Trojan. And students say it's giving them even more pride for the school they love. Our Caden Walker has the story.
Behind me here at Veterans Memorial Stadium is one of the university's largest displays of their new campaign, Always Real, Always Troy. It's a message that students, alumni, and fans will see when they come to the Vet for Trojan Game Day. And it's just one of the many displays around campus that are bringing this campaign to life. The message was developed in partnership with Carnegie Higher Education, following research with students, faculty, alumni, and community stakeholders. We asked Leslie Scrushy, Associate Vice Chancellor for Enrollment and Marketing, what the new phrase means.
For me, Always Real is a nod to our motto from 1884, that we develop a student in all ways, mind, heart, and body, and Troy gives an authentic experience to all students who arrive on our campus. We develop them in all those ways.
One part of what makes this campaign stand out is that Troy students themselves are featured as the talent for the commercials.
It's so exciting, just getting to see like real students that I've met and that I love so dearly up on banners or in the video and being like, I know that person. Our class, this generation of Troy students are leaving a legacy in hopes that, in the future, it's not just like people, models or, actresses and actors. It's real students.
And stay on the lookout as this new slogan will appear across campus throughout the year. From Veterans Memorial Stadium, Caden Walker, Troy, TrojanVision News.
The campaign also brought the university new marketing photos of students in action. The photos are already being used on flyers and publication materials from all departments. Troy recently released a brand anthem video as well as a series of billboards along the stretch of Highway 231 from Montgomery.